teaching is not a cup of tea that everybody take it. So one of a great writer said, the illiterate of 21st century will not be those who can't read and write, but those who can't learn, unlearn, and relearn. Relearn. Got it? Put into your subconscious mind. Okay, we should proceed. Thank you. So today our topic is English alphabet. Why it is necessary to read this topic English alphabet, as every child know English alphabet. So my dear student, I will ask you one question. Why 90% of students are fail to pronounce word, to spell the correct spelling of word, to fill the right article, right preposition in student are not able to speak English, or even we are not able to crack an exams in which English is a part of its syllabus, because we stick here, we put in your subconscious mind and learn, think accordingly that English depends on 26 letter, but it is not a reality. It is far from reality. English language is totally depend on 44 sounds which produce these 26 letter, and we have to learn the sounds which produced by 26 letter, as we know the 26 letter, but we don't know the 44 sounds. We don't know the ABC of 44 sounds which make the language. That is why we make a mistake in our speaking or in our writing. So today we will look 26 letter further categorized in 5 vowel and 21 consonant. These 5 vowel further categorized in 2 types. One is monophthong and next is diphthong, and in somehow we are aware about this structure. These things in our school we have been taught, but we don't know the nature and scope. Even I was teaching in a school where I was teaching English to the 9th class student when I have a book. So on the first 2 page there are given the 44 sounds and the 44 symbol which help us to recognize the sound of letter and sound of word. But no one teacher use these 2 pages which are at the first or second number, even before the content page. So I was surprised why we are not use these information and why we don't give this information to the student. We directly go to the content and chapter first and start reading. So I'm telling you, letter 26 produce 44 sounds, These 26 letters further divided into two categories, vowel and consonant. Some student and even some teacher pronounce it vowel. Vowel. It is not vowel, it is vowel. And this is consonant, not consonant. Consonant. ठीक है? C, how the sound of C produce. So when we proceed further, I will tell you how these 44 sounds produce. So these 5 vowel produce 20 sounds, and these 21 consonant produce 24 sounds, and these two make 44 sounds. These 20 sounds are further categorized in two next categories. One is monophthong and other is diphthong. Monophthong, as word mono. Mono means single, thongs refer to sounds. So single sounds. 12 monophthongs are single sounds, or we can say that pure vowel sound. Okay? So next is diphthong. This is di. Di refer to double, and thong means sounds, and these 8 diphthong produce double sounds. Okay, so these 21 consonant produce 24 sounds. This is all about the basic information of English alphabet letters and its this structure. In next lecture we will see these 20 sounds and 24 sounds. Enough for today. And as I told you, teaching is not a cup of tea. It took a lot of hard work of me. So if it helped you a little bit, or if enjoyed this video until end, kindly subscribe, follow me.